Hi, I'm Chris. Today there's a little bit magic in my demo. We see a flying carpet here. We see a man here, and if I put the man on the flying carpet and move the carpet, we see the man flies with the carpet. And if I take him from the carpet, I can move the carpet alone again without moving the man. How can we create this interactive graphic? I will show you how you can do this with movings. It's a little bit tricky because we have to combine two different types of behavior. First of all, let's start with adding the images. Here's the flying carpet, and then there is the man. Well, what we need is a transport behavior. That is a little bit tricky. Transport means moving elements. You can transport objects like you see here with a ship that can transport containers. So that means that we first need a container that is larger than the man. The carpet, however, is too small. So what I have to do here is I draw an area, a box that is large enough that it can transport our man. I will send it to the back, to the bottom. And now I say this box should be the transport object for this man. I do this with my wizard browser, and I go to moving elements, transport objects, and then I say start, and I say this element should transport this man. And if I start, if I test this, you can see I can move around this container and I can move around this man, and if I drag the man into this container, they will move together. Of course, what we really want to do is that we move the carpet. So what we do here is I put the carpet here, and now I synchronize the flying carpet with this container box. And I do this with the wizard browser again, and here it says synchronization. And I start, I'm going to synchronize this flying carpet with the box in the background. And that's ready. So we see now there are two behaviors, one that transports the man and one that synchronizes the flying carpet with the container box. So if I drag around the carpet, you see the container goes with it, and I can just drag the man in here, and if I now drag the flying carpet, you see the man goes with the flying carpet. Of course, you don't want to see this container box because you just want to see the flying carpet. And you can just click on the box and say I reduce the opacity to 0, and then it becomes invisible, but the behavior still works, of course. If I just start it, I can move along the flying carpet, and if I put the man here, I can still move along the flying carpet. And we can just export this to Smartboard, to Smart Notebook software, and then you can use it on your interactive whiteboard. So here you see I can drag the flying carpet and nothing happens. Only if the man is dragged on the flying carpet, it will move along with the flying carpet.